how's it going, sauna enthusiasts? I'm Josh from the Sauna Place, and today we're comparing the Harvia Spirit and the Huum Drop. In this video, we'll explore each company's history, heater aesthetics, durability, safety, and price. We'll keep a running tally of scores throughout the video to see how these brands stack up against each other. Let's start with Harvia. Imagine this, you're on your way home and your plane decides it doesn't want to be a plane anymore and goes face first into a frozen lake. You miraculously survive the plane crash. What's the first thing you do? Well, if you're Tapani Harvia, the first thing you're going to do is go hop in a sauna and thaw out for a little bit. So as Tapani Harvia is sitting in the sauna, processing the fact that he just survived a plane crash into a frozen lake, he starts feeling a little warm, he starts feeling a little better, and he's like, hey, you know what? I think I'm going to start a sauna heater company. And this served as the starting point as the Harvia we know today. I think that might be the most cinematic way to start a sauna heater company ever. Harvia started with wood-fired heaters. They eventually moved on to electric heaters, and then over the next few decades, they branched out to the global market and became the Harvia we know today. So over in Estonia, Sim Nilis isn't just continuing its family's legacy of over 3 decades of sauna heater expertise. He's really revolutionizing and modernizing it with an awesome blend of traditional sauna heaters mixed with modern technology. Saying the traditional and modern tech blend thing really just makes me think of a cyberpunk sauna, if I'm being honest, which might be the coolest thing ever. Could be horrifying. I'm not really sure how I feel about it right now.
What is it?
It's a robot. But like a different, like a super advanced robot. It's probably Japanese. Yeah, it's definitely Japanese.
Huum really focuses on building modern sauna heaters that still maintain what makes traditional sauna heaters so great to begin with. And with a name that means flame, glow, and blaze, it's no wonder Huum is all about mixing high tech with high heat. Leading modern sauna heater aesthetics is the Huum Drop, which boasts a design straight from the future thanks to a collaboration with the Estonia School of the Arts. It boasts sleek lines, modern vibes, and a cutting-edge presence you really won't find with other sauna heaters. It's no surprise that it won a Red Dot Honorable Mention in 2015. For those of you that don't know what the Red Dot Awards are, think of it kind of like the Thunderdome, but for consumer product design. The Huum Drop is available in 4.5, 6, 7, and 9 kilowatt options. It's not just a functional piece of equipment though, it really is a standout piece of any sauna you put it in. Not to be outdone, Harvia released the Spirit sauna heater, which echoed the design trends of the Huum Drop. The Harvia Spirit fits effortlessly into any sauna you put it in, whether it be traditional or modern. Backed by finished craftsmanship, it's a durable, stylish sauna that's going to look great in any sauna you put it in. The Harvia Spirit comes in 6 and 8 kilowatt options. The point for aesthetics has to go to the Huum Drop because it really revolutionized the industry and how people think about sauna heaters. Like I mentioned earlier, the Harvia Spirit is truly a testament to finished craftsmanship. It's built to endure the rigorous demands of frequent sauna use. Renowned for its build quality, the Spirit really embodies the quality you'd expect from a product that is steeped in a tradition of quality. This heater is built to last, allowing users to enjoy a consistent, reliable sauna experience year after year. The Spirit comes with a 1-year warranty that covers the entire heater. Huum, on the other hand, while pioneering in sauna design, has had some problems, specifically with their heating elements. Customers have reported that they've had to swap out their heating elements within the first year of owning them, which is a lot quicker than other sauna heaters in the market. Huum has addressed the problem and has begun implementing a fix in the newer drop models. They also are continuing to research to improve upon the drop design to make the heating elements last even longer. The Huum Drop comes with a 5-year warranty, though it should be noted that it does not cover the heating elements or the stones. In terms of lasting power, Harvia takes the point with durability. Safety is paramount when it comes to sauna heaters, and Harvia and Huum both recognize this by implementing emergency temperature shutoff switches in both of their models. This acts as an emergency shutoff in case your heater surpasses a certain threshold in temperature. Harvia doesn't just stop at a temperature sensor. They also include a top-mounted pressure sensor that'll shut the unit off if anything is placed on top of it. This proactive feature helps prevent accidents that might happen while you're enjoying your sauna. These safety features are in line with international safety standards when it comes to sauna heaters, showing Harvia's dedication to safety. While the Huum Drop does include the emergency temperature shutoff switch, as mentioned earlier, it does not include the pressure plate found on the Harvia Spirit. It does include a door sensor that ensures the heater will only run when the door is securely closed. While this feature provides basic safety, the lack of a pressure plate and the lack of UL certification might be a point of contention if you're more focused on safety when it comes to your saunas. Because of the emergency temperature switch, the pressure plate, as well as the UL listing, the Harvia Spirit pulls into the lead. Things are starting to heat up, and it's time to see which heater can really make the sauna nice and toasty. Starting with the Harvia Spirit, this heater can get up to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit in 40 minutes and tops out at about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This is more than enough to get the health benefits known to saunas. On the other side of things, the Huum Drop takes a more leisurely pace getting to its peak temperature, with a reported 60 to 90 minutes to reach peak temperature. The Huum Drop compensates for the slower heat up time by including a max temperature of 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just, if you can do a 230 degree sauna, all the power to you. That's crazy though. However, I think there's something to be said for each one of these heaters. Because of this, the heat round is going to end in a tie. The installation process for both of these heaters is fairly straightforward and essentially involves attaching a mounting plate to the wall and then attaching the heater to the mounting plate. It should be noted that it is important that you hire an electrician to do the wiring process of your heater installation, as not doing so may void the warranty on your heater and can pose a severe safety risk to you. Both sauna heaters come with similar controls with the option to upgrade to Wi-Fi. Essentially, the Wi-Fi model will allow you to control your sauna from your phone as opposed to the wall-mounted control panel. The Drop's control panel, the Uku, won a Red Dot Award in 2021. Because of this, we're going to give the point for installation to the Huum Drop, as really the process is the same, but the Drop, in our opinion, has a better looking control module when everything's said and done. When it comes down to price, an 8 kilowatt Harvia Spirit will cost you $1,395. A 9 kilowatt Huum Drop will cost you $1,366. All in all, very comparable prices here, so we're going to call this round a draw as well. If you're all about tried and true reliability and faster heating, Harvia is your go-to. But if cutting edge design and modern tech speak to you, then Huum might just be your pick. It's a close race, and both these sauna heaters can provide a great sauna experience. At the end of the day, don't forget to check recent user reviews and pick a sauna heater that best suits your sauna needs. Give us a call anytime if you need help deciding which heater is best for you.